Hello to you all. We have quite a few parts within our soul, and those parts we have to understand where do they belong, where do they reside within our body, and each one, what's its role and how can it take effect. Well, the lowest part is within the blood, and that is called the animalistic soul, and its functions are many. We have dreams, we have function of the body, we have roles that we have to take and partake and exhibit in this world, actions, interactions with people. All of these are very important, and that's why children are very close to animals, because this is the animalistic soul which we share with animals, but on a different level. Animals have certain level, we have a higher level. Then we come to the second section, which is within our heart, and that is the section which is in charge of our spirit. All the feelings, all the interactions when we speak to each other, all human communication, all the kind of feelings, whether it's revenge or hatred or cruelty or kindness and generosity and love, unconditional love for each other. Third part will definitely be within our pituitary gland, within the third eye, and that is in charge of our decision making. How do we lead ourselves? How do we handle? How do we guide and mentor our own self? We are not meant to be just feelings. We're not meant to be ChatGPT, just robotical, cold thoughts. We're not meant to be pulled and drawn just after our animalistic drives, as said in the very famous movie, I am not an animal. But we are made up of all this realm. We are supposed to guide them, to supervise them, to navigate them in the right direction, that will be made up of thought, which is in control, in charge, and navigating our feelings, which is control and navigating our very actions and our most basic kind of desires, which are also important in the right place, the right measure, in the right time. However, there are parts which are so elevated, which do not find place within the human body. That is within our aura. There's aura of our body, which is called chaya, which is that which interacts with the world and that which protects us, and through which we can feel other people and the energy when we climb close to them or in the vicinity. Whether they are good for us, whether we vibe with them, whether we align with them, the place, the circumstance, the person. And there's a higher one, the highest one, which is called Yechidah, which comes from the word unique, and that's our higher self, higher soul, which is in a certain place over and above us, of hovering above us, and that is in direct connection with the infinite God, with the Creator Almighty. And this is where we know, we have a knowing, it's okay, of what are we here for, what is our purpose. And even if we are lost in life, and even if we lose our purpose or we lose our direction, that section, that captain of that ship of ourselves never is lost. We can always attach ourselves to it. What we need to do is take away the husks, the shell that we went down into them. And once we clean ourselves and cleanse ourselves and purify our own soul, then we can again listen deeply to ourselves and understand which is the direction in which we need to go, our mission, our goal that God Almighty, that the Divine has had in purpose for us. God bless you all. Have a wonderful week.